Gold Resource Corporation, NYSE GORO, drew heavy market attention after releasing strong preliminary year-end results following the market close on January 20th, 2026, setting off a sharp 18.70% intraday rally in the next trading session as momentum traders and value investors reacted to clear signs of an operational and financial turnaround. The update highlighted a standout Q4 2025 performance at the company's Don David Gold Mine, DDGM, in Oaxaca, Mexico, where production materially exceeded expectations. Silver output reached 663,503 ounces, which accounted for roughly 80% of total revenue, underscoring the mine's leverage to elevated silver prices. Total gold equivalent production came in at 10,413 GEOs, representing an impressive 45% of full year output concentrated in a single quarter, a signal of accelerating operational efficiency. Management attributed the strong quarter to a combination of higher grade ore sourced from the newly developed Three Sisters area, ongoing equipment upgrades, and improved mine sequencing. These operational improvements coincided with record precious metal pricing, significantly amplifying margins and cash generation. Equally important to traders was the company's balance sheet reset. GORO reported approximately $25 million in cash with zero debt, a notable improvement that alleviated prior solvency concerns and reduced dilution risk. This clean capital structure has become increasingly attractive as gold prices push above $4,800 per ounce, positioning the company as a high beta beneficiary of continued strength in the precious metals complex. Adding fuel to the rally, H.C. Wainwright & Co. raised its price target on gold resource to $2 per share from $1.25 per share, citing the operational turnaround at Don David, improving cash flow visibility, and stronger leverage to gold and silver prices. The Analyst upgrade helped validate the bullish thesis and contributed to sustained buying pressure during regular trading hours. Overall, the combination of surging Q4 production, a debt free balance sheet, record metal prices, and fresh analyst support has reignited interest in GORO, with market participants now closely watching whether the Three Sisters ore body can sustain this level of performance into 2026.
Yeah, the stock is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. It has gained 318% since the last 1 year, up to 156% since the last 6 months. Today, it is most certainly one of the biggest movers. 33 million shares have crossed the tape. Its 50-day average is around 2.5 million shares. So its effective float is a tiny one. And I think this huge volume is also affecting this 50-day average. There's a chance that it may have been, it probably was less than what it is right now, less than 2.5 million shares in terms of 50-day average. Given that it's a big day today, it is surely affecting its average. Yeah, strongly bullish, hard to borrow, but not exactly heavily short, not exactly heavily shorted, not exactly heavily shorted. We can just confirm what we have as regards the volume. Yeah, 2.85. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's roughly that sort of volume. It's roughly that sort of volume. So as things stand right now, higher prices are expected to keep printing up till Friday the 23rd. Then after that, we might see a consolidation going all the way towards early March. The 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise to ensure that it offers a support on the stock in terms of as it regards the prospect of any pullback. Okay, let's see what we have now. We have the market grid on. It is the stock is way outside of that market grid, so we can't rely on that heavily. What we can do is get the projections we have here. 1.43. It is a downward projection. Let's have a look at the um, okay. Let's quickly have a look at the momentum and see what we have. We'll come back to the market grid on 4 hour chart. Momentum is indicating that yes, we might see a contraction. It's actually saying that the contraction may begin from tomorrow the 22nd, and then may remain that way up till early March. Okay, there might be other catalysts. The stock is right in the midst of what is, I mean, the AI build out, even geopolitics. It is there. It is this right in that mix. So if momentum wants to go flat, I don't think any of us will be worried about that. There's a chance that it may be reversed. More and more. I'm just coming about the stock for the first time. I didn't exactly know it existed in the penny stock, gold, silver, and actually producing gold and silver. That's this is an easy buy. Momentum, price pressure momentum, everything is robust here on this daily chart. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. We're looking for projections now. Yeah, the good thing is that the stock has been around for a long time, so it has enough data. So some of these extrapolations can be relied on. Yeah, high prices up till the 2nd of February. Then after that, the prospects of a contraction. Projections are currently saying 1.83, 1.66. What did it print? What did it print today in terms of intraday highs? 2.38 printed today. It has actually cooled off from those highs. 2.38. Let's see. It's optionable, but we can't see anything there. It requires more memory. Okay, so previous projections go as high as what do we have? 2.71. I mean, he has printed such levels already. He has printed them already. 2.38. I think today 2.71. Pretty much the same. Let's see the monthly chart. I think we'll be looking at projections all the way back to 2019, 2018. Here it had up to 14.53, 12.86, 10.16. It's waking up. Oh my goodness, 62.60, 62.60 previous projections. This is 2012. Yeah, the good thing about the stock, yeah, like as I indicated earlier on, it has a decent amount of data going all the way back to 2006. That's quite decent, up to 20 years of data. That's not bad at all. So it can be relied on in terms of the extrapolations, can be relied on. Okay, this is that rejection we are talking about here. Yeah. Okay, so here on the 4 hour chart, consolidations was what is expected as well. We have a downward projection of 1.43. 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to rise. Here, let's see. Momentum is also expected to continue to decay and not expected to pick up, but it doesn't mean high prices wouldn't print. Let's have a look at the market grid. Let's see what it's indicating in terms of price. Let's see. Bear in mind that we have this intraday high of 2.38. So it should give us something that is the range, a range that is greater than that, that is way beyond that. No, 2.15. Okay. Didn't recognize that. So 2.15 and between 2.15 and 1.5. So there's a decent amount of support around 1 point. Let's see. There's 1.9. Yes, okay, it has dropped to that. That's now a resistance. We have 1.6. 1.6. Yeah, it is. It's right around where it is right now. There's a chance it might hold there. There's also 1.5 as well. It's good, a decent support as well. So right around where it is right now, maybe it might we might see the prospects of a rebound or a bounce, or they might attempt to buy. They might attempt to see whether they can buy this deep that it has printed now, but it may not hold, given that it is in the support zone. So in the midst of the deep buying opportunity there, low prices may still print out. I think what we can equally do is just go back to the market grid and the price pressure momentum indicator. It might give us because this is built from the order books. This is built from this price pressure momentum indicators. They are built from the order books, so it gives you it gives you the exact figures. The data is from what people are doing. That's why I tell you here, buying pressure and all those sort of things. Yeah, because that is where it comes from. So price pressure is has weakened. Okay, but pressure has increased, so they are buying the dip. They are buying this dip, and the pace has also increased as well. They are buying the dip. Surely you can see the value is at 22.26. The first derivative, that's the buying pressure, and then earlier on 4 hours ago it was at 20, so it has increased. So people are surely buying this dip, and especially the fact that it is at where it has a decent support between 1.6 all the way down to 1.5. There's a robust support there, you know. So let's see how it goes. It's a penny stock, and gold and silver stock. The company is fundamentally producing fundamentals. It has a product. It has the assets, as against maybe HYMC that is not exactly convincing the market about the production and all that, and execution risk and all that. But this company is already doing so. Been public. It has been public since 2006. This is not a promotion, but it is the fact. Yeah, just have a look and see what you make of all of this, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.